Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram feeds crashing problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again, and here you will find feeds. Click on it and then click force stop and go to storage. Click on it and click clear cache, and that's it. After that, just go back and restart your phone and then try again, and that's it. Then you will find that your problem is fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and that's it. See you in the next video.